Tuesday, April 23rd, 2024. St. George, St. Albert. Focus. The hand of the Lord was with them, and a great number who believed turned to the Lord. The Acts of the Apostle is full of vivid accounts of conversion in the early church. It is heartening to see how the preaching of the apostles touched the hearts of the people and drew them to Jesus. Surely it was the Lord who blessed the apostles. Efforts with success. Today's gospel says that Jesus himself foretold this. What am I doing to make the Lord known? I have had the privilege of knowing Jesus all my life, but have I shared this knowledge with others? Is there anyone who turned to the Lord because of me? If not, I may be the lukewarm Christian. I may have become complacent and take for granted the faith and salvation that I have freely received. The number of Christians worldwide is dwindling. The very nations of Europe who proclaim Jesus to us have now sadly distanced themselves from the message of the gospel. The time is running out. We need to use every available means to evangelize, be it WhatsApp or Facebook or something else. We must not hesitate to talk about Jesus in our family, place of work, and social gatherings, remembering always that the hand of the Lord is with us too. Fruit. Today, I firmly resolve to stand up for Jesus in the society I live.